Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. I welcome you all to today's Stock of the Day episode 2. So if you have not yet watched episode 1 which I posted yesterday, kindly watch it right now. And if you like my YouTube videos, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. In today's Stock of the Day, the stock which I have selected and which respected CPR perfectly is Tata Steel. So Tata Steel weekly chart support has been taken by the candles exactly at the previous resistance. So you all know very well that resistance turning into a support is a sign of bullishness. So Tata Steel was anticipated to be bullish in coming days based on weekly chart. Now I am switching over to daily chart. In daily chart you can clearly see that the candles were not interested to go below this resistance level. Now what happened in Tata Steel is, here the candles broke the resistance and it went up, and this is a strong support area where multiple times the candles took support, and this is the third time the candles are taking support at the important resistance level. So exactly at 1243 there is some support provided by the market for Tata Steel, so that Tata Steel bounced from these levels almost 3 times. And now this particular stock is in my radar, and now what I am going to do is I am going to look for any trading opportunities in this particular stock. Now what I was expecting is definitely Tata Steel should bounce from this important support level. And now I am going to switch over to 1 hour chart. In 1 hour chart, what I can clearly identify is there is a fall continuously. There is a falling channel kind of pattern continuously in Tata Steel. Let me draw a channel. So this is how Tata Steel was going down for past few days. So how many days? Nearly for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, nearly 5 days Tata Steel was going in a continuous downtrend. Now Tata Steel was reaching the support zone, so we were expecting a bounce from Tata Steel, and if this channel is broken, it is good for taking long position. And yesterday Tata Steel broke this channel comfortably. Now let me switch over to 5 minutes chart. In 5 minutes chart you can clearly witness yesterday itself Tata Steel gave a breakout from the channel. But one important point which you have to understand is R1 and previous day high was not broken yesterday. Yesterday this channel was broken by the candles in 5 minutes chart. But what happened is the candles were trading around the CPR zone. You all know very well CPR is home for the candles. So the candles were roaming around the CPR levels, and there is no momentum for the bulls to take the prices higher. The candles were not having the energy to break R1 and previous day high yesterday. And that's the reason Tata Steel has been selected for taking trades today, because there are chances for Tata Steel to break R1 and previous day high today, because yesterday channel was broken and the candle was bouncing from an important support zone, and yesterday R1 previous day high is not broken, so today it can break R1 and previous day high. And today we can clearly see Tata Steel broke R1 and previous day high in the third candle itself. Look at the third candle of Tata Steel. Yesterday there was a narrow CPR, but Tata Steel was not trending. And today also there is a narrow CPR. So we are expecting a trending market in Tata Steel. So third candle broke R1 and previous day high. If you are taking a long position, that is a good entry. Your stop loss can be CPR R1 previous day high 50%. You can keep your stop loss at 50% level. If you are not able to afford a huge stop loss. This is the technical stop loss for Tata Steel. Now, some people, they have less capital and they are not ready to accept bigger losses. They are not ready to take a higher risk. So what you can do is, you can even place your stop loss at this 75% level. So it depends on your risk appetite. But technically 50% looks like a good stop loss. Now when you are taking an entry in the third candle, and when you are taking an entry, or even you can take your entry in this particular bull candle, because the candles are trading around R1 and previous day high, and the bulls are in so many numbers compared with the bear candles. We can see just two bear candles, but we can see a lot of bull candles. So those two bull candles are good for taking long trades. And what will be a target? So your first target will be R1 and R1 R2 50%. So this will be your first target. And finally your target will be R2 levels. So 50% is target 1 and R2 is target 2. Now what you would have done is, you can book your profit at 50% level. Even if you have not booked your profit at 50% level, around 230 the target is hit in Tata Steel. So this is a stock which respected CPR levels perfectly. The Tata Steel respected CPR levels because the higher time frame was also favorable for the bulls. In higher time frame, important resistance has turned into a support, and the candles were in a repeated falling trend. See, this is a good bullish stock. Tata Steel, in weekly chart and in monthly chart, you can clearly witness it is trading at all time high. Okay, Tata Steel now is trading at all time high. So this is a strong bullish stock. Hence, if the stock is going down temporarily, it is a just profit booking, or it is just a retracement, a temporary retracement. So you should not take any short positions in these kind of falls in a bullish stocks like Tata Steel. So we have to wait for an opportunity where this kind of trend line will be broken, this kind of channel will be broken, and we have to grab that opportunity. Now I was waiting for a trade opportunity in Tata Steel, and yesterday there is no momentum with the bulls. As I said earlier, R1 and previous day high is not broken, and the candles were in a range. The candles were trading around CPR levels, so there is no proper momentum for bulls. So today I was anticipating a huge rally. What I expected is, I expected Tata Steel to reach around R4 levels. Okay, I was expecting a huge uptrend, but what happened? Tata Steel went only up to R2 levels, but still our target was met. The reason for selecting Tata Steel is clearly explained with you all, and you are taking a trade when the R1 and previous day high is broken. Your technical stop loss is at 50% level, and this is going to be a target 1, and finally a target 2 is going to be R2 levels. Today's stock of the day award goes to Tata Steel. I hope you all enjoyed this video and you all like my stock of the day video series. If you like my videos, share it to all your trading circle. Together we grow as a price action trading community. Bye.